Hi, I'm Jacquelynne. Thanks for joining us today. This is Debbie, and she's been with us before. She is our product manager here at the Art of Home. And Debbie makes sure that all of our orders going out are correct. She keeps our inventory straight. We're making a lot of new kits, and so she's really good at making sure that everything stays on track and on schedule. So she's got a pretty complicated job. So thanks for being here today, Debbie. We're going to talk about some products that we are highlighting this week, and our theme is birds and butterflies. We thought it's a great time of year to be talking about birds and butterflies because this is, it's late spring, early summer, so this is the season, and we actually have a couple of brand new things in stock that we wanted to show you. So the first one is the Birds on a Wire kit. And this makes a wall hanging, and this has everything. It has the felt, it has the embroidery floss, it even has the batting. It has the fabric for the front, the binding. So really, this is like pretty much a complete kit. I mean, you even get the batting with this. So this is Birds on a Wire. This would be really cute. I think that summertime, like this time of year, is really nice for sitting outside and sewing. I like to sit out on my deck or my patio and do hand sewing. So
I like the embroidery at the bottom. The wildflowers is so pretty.
So I'm like, so I hope you can see that. There is the little birds are the wool felt applique, but then there's some more embroidery at the bottom, which is like wildflowers and things. And there are instructions included in this. So this is brand new in the shop. We're just releasing this today. And the other one we have, which is brand new today, I love this one. This is so pretty. This is the, folk birds.
Yes.
Folk birds ornaments, and it makes 5. And we've gotten really good feedback from these kits. People really like them.
I really like the folk designs on them.
Yeah.
It's just so pretty.
The colors are really pretty. You could use the little birds for everything. Like you could just hang them around your house. You could make a lavender sachet.
Yeah.
You could even, if you're just giving a gift, you could attach to the package or something like that. So these are really, really cute. The colors of the felt are really pretty too. So I just want to open it up and show you a little bit of what you get. So this is the package, so pretty. These are all your flosses, and you also get a needle. So you really do get just about everything you need. Everything except like the scissors, I guess. It's got the little hanging ribbon. But the felt colors are really pretty. Aren't they pretty?
Yeah, I really like this kit.
They're really unusual too.
Yeah.
They're like not your typical colors that you find at the craft store or anything like that. So, and then of course you get the stuffing. You get instructions. So this is a really nice complete kit. This might be nice for doing like with kids or grandkids. You have a granddaughter who might like to learn to. Well, maybe she's a little bit
young, but
pretty soon she'll be ready to learn to sew.
It will, yeah.
Yeah, I have a granddaughter who's 12. I think she would love working on this because she's very crafty. Whenever it's her birthday, she likes to craft a kit. Yeah. So this would be a really nice like mom and me or grandmom and me project to make with the kids. And we said granddaughters, but you know what? Grandsons, boys like to sew now too. So I know my grandson loves to work on the sewing machine.
Yeah. Oh.
Probably because it's a machine. He likes to press that foot pedal and see how fast he can go with it. So let's get the boys involved in sewing too. Okay, so those are our brand new in stock things. And then we have back in stock, we have the more birds. Like I said, birds are our theme today. It's this, you get the hoop, you get the felt, you get the floss to make this really cute little wall hanging. Very cute. I love this one. This is called Bird Chorus. So I don't know. I think you can almost hear the birds chirping when you look at that. This is a folk bird house ornament. So this makes a little bit bigger ornament. I think this is about 5 inches finish. So it's a little bit bigger, but I'm thinking maybe you can even use it for a pincushion. Like don't put the hanging loop on the top.
You could.
And maybe, it comes with like the polyester filling, but maybe you could replace that with your ground walnut shells or sand, or you could use the polyester filling, whatever you normally use for a pincushion. I think this could be a really cute pincushion too. So, and again, look how small this is. It's so portable. You could like take this with you on your summer trips in the car or sitting at the beach. And then we also have back in stock our birdhouse ornaments. And comes with the felt, the floss. Look at how pretty those colors are. They're really pretty. So, yeah. And then these little, I mean, I know that you started making, you've done mostly our Christmas ornaments that we've had, which are the felt and the floss. But these are just fun little projects to.
Yeah, the instructions are really good.
Okay.
And they even show you how to do the stitches.
Okay.
Very clear, very concise. You can be creative with it if you want. You don't have to stitch it exactly how they say, but
Right.
it's really a simple way to get into and have some handwork with you.
Yeah. Because you didn't really start as a big sewer, right?
Yeah.
I mean, like you picked up these kits, you saw them in the office, you thought they were cute. You were like, I'm going to take one home and see if I can, try to work on it.
Yeah.
And she brought in the samples that she had made, and they were really cute. I mean, you did a really good job on them. So these are kind of a nice entry if you're not, if you haven't done a lot of embroidery, or you're just looking, maybe you have and you're just looking for something new to do. Maybe you're just getting a little bit tired with the kind of projects that you've been making. This might be like a really nice change of pace, a new kind of thing for you to do. So those are back in stock. We had sold out. They were really popular. We sold out of those, but we have all those things back in stock now. So continuing with our bird and butterfly theme, we do have a couple of other things. Here, we'll talk about our Butterfly Fields mini kit. We have several of these mini kits in stock. We have one for just about every season now. That's what the kit looks like. It comes with the pre-printed fabric panel that you see here. And it says, just when the caterpillar thought it was over, she began to fly. I love that saying, because all of us have been in that situation where we feel like this is it. This is the end. It's whatever we were hoping for. It's just not going to work out. And then maybe right after that's when like the answer, the breakthrough comes. So I just really like that saying. So you get the panel, you get all the fabrics for the front, you get the binding, and you get the cute yellow plaid.
8 tiny buttons.
Oh, and then you get the tiny buttons, which are the little flowers, which you kind of scatter on there.
Mm-hmm.
And now, if you're wondering how you hang this little mini, we have these hangers in the shop, and they are linked right from the product page for this.
Yes, they are.
So, and this makes it really easy to switch out your seasonal mini quilts, because like I said, we have them for Christmas, we have them for Valentine's Day, summer. So if you just want to make the whole set, they're just really easy to unclip. And then you put your next one on, and so all year long you can have something hanging in the same place. So that is our Butterfly Fields mini quilt kit. What do we have next? Oh, I love that.
I do too.
So these are the stitchy birds. You get a half yard of each, and you could make tote bags. You could make like needle minders, pin cushions. Like they're so pretty.
I love these fabrics.
I do too. So they're all sewing themed. We've got birds, and I don't know if you can see the birds have like needle and thread in their mouth. I mean, they're adorable.
Yeah.
There's sayings on here that say, love is a needle that knows how to mend. They're really, really cute. I love them. So there's that one. This one is kind of a, not quite tone on tone, but a little bit more muted colors with the tan and the brown. You've got the green, and I don't know if you can see the design, but it's like a cross stitch. It's all little X's on there. You've got your floral, which has little birds and tiny bees on it. I don't know if you can really see that and appreciate it, but really, really pretty. Birds and bees on that one. And then this one has your, floss, scissors, pin cushions, and it says time to stitch on inside of a hoop, like an embroidery or a cross stitch hoop. So again, like you can make so many cute things with this. Like,
and I want to let everyone know this is at a really good price point in the shop.
It is. So we all know fabric's getting more and more expensive, and so this is a good deal on this.
Yes.
Because you get a half yard of each one, so that's 2.5 yards of fabric that you get all coordinated for you. It's hard I know there's a lot of like local shops going out of business, It's harder and harder to find someplace close to you. We of course want you always to support your local quilt shop, but if you're in an area like me where my closest quilt shop is a good 45 minutes to an hour away now, it's hard sometimes to find fabrics online that work together. You can't really tell if the colors are going to work together. So these are all coordinated for you so you know that they're all going to work together. So there's that.
A couple other little things. These little kits just
Oh.
fit the theme.
Yes, mini cross stitch. We've got butterfly and bird, and I think we only have like
Just a
a
couple.
couple of these left.
Yeah.
But if cross stitch is back. I used to do cross stitch in the 80s and 90s, and then I stopped doing it, and it's back big
Yeah.
time. So if you've been seeing cross stitch and you thought, I just want to try it, this is, again, I think these are $5.95. So reasonable just to get started and see if you like cross stitch, or if you've got a child or a grandchild maybe who wants to do some summer sewing. The kids are home from school now. Really cute.
What's good, these won't take forever.
True.
So
Right.
if you're teaching someone or a child, they'll be done.
Right.
In a quick, where
Right.
some of these projects take forever
Yes.
to finish.
Yes.
So
Some of these
it's
cross stitch-
encouraging. for
Right.
them.
Right. Yes. For a first project, it's always nice, especially to feel like you've gotten something
Yes.
done,
Yeah.
rather than starting something that's going to take you like 6 months to get done, and you feel like you're never going to get it done. This, a weekend, you're done. So yeah, love these. These are super cute. And then so a couple little notions. We've got this has been very popular. I think we've reordered these many times. The hummingbird needle threader, because the older we get, the harder it gets to thread those needles. So you need magnifiers, you need a really good light, and you need to get yourself a really cute needle threader like the hummingbird needle threader. And then finally, we've got these sewing scissors. They're 8-inch fabric scissors, and they're shaped like butterfly wings.
They're supposed to be, yeah.
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 So, I was holding it upside down. So like that. I don't know about you. I think you can never have enough pairs of scissors, because no matter how many pairs of scissors I have, I'm always going, where did I put my scissors? I'm always looking for scissors. So we have our butterfly themed scissors. So
There's only a couple of those
and only
left
right,
as well.
right.
Yeah.
Only a couple of these left too. So if you like them, go and grab them. So I think that's it. We went through a lot today. We're going to have, I think in the description to this, we'll have like the links over to the shop so you can find everything really easily. As always, if you have any questions, you can email us at comments@jacquelynnesteves.com. And we hope you have a great day. Do something creative, do some sewing, some gardening, cooking, whatever. And that's it. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.